YouTube, what's going on? Kyle with ePoolSupply. Today we got a special treat for you. We are going to show you how to set the time on Pentair's SuperFlo variable speed pool pump model 342001. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, we're back. Today we're going to show you how to change the time on your SuperFlo. Let's say you just got it set up and plugged in. You got to set the time before you can change any programming first. So let's dive in. First thing you're going to notice when you first turn it on is the clock will be flashing. It's going to say 12 a.m. You got to change that. So the first thing we're going to do here is hold the display button for 3 seconds. The first step, it's going to ask you your time format, whether you want to go with standard 12-hour or military 24-hour format. We're just going to stick with the 12-hour for now. And you hit the display to confirm that. And the second option, it's going to give you the time change. So right now it is currently 1:53 in the afternoon. Clicking it sometimes takes a while, so if you just hold it, it'll scroll, and then the longer you go, the more it'll scroll for. Let's get to 1:53 in the afternoon. And then once you get there, you're going to hit the display one more time to confirm that. The last setting on the time settings is actually the screen brightness. So if you don't want it being too bright when it's outside, you can turn it down all the way. It fluctuates here just using these arrows. And once you find your desired setting there, you hit the display button one more time and you're good to go.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.